Hey, what's going on guys? Welcome to today's vlog slash unboxing video. Today is a great day. It's brand new iPhone day. Now, I'm really excited. The wonderful people over at Apple have hooked me up with a brand new iPhone 13 Pro Max. Now, I'm super excited to unbox this phone because like so many who saw the keynote speech, I cannot wait to check out the cameras. The cameras on this phone look incredible. The new modes, cinematic mode, macro, these things, you know, they're just getting me excited already, you know, especially when I'm thinking about how cool is it gonna be when I am filming magic with this phone, because I use my phone a lot to film all my tricks, you know. It's I don't whack out my DSLR, I use my phone because it's easier. The camera is incredible and it does such an amazing job, and my iPhone is literally my life, so I'm really excited. Anyways, let's talk, let's open it up, let's check it out and see what it's all about. Okay, it's that time. Let's unbox the phone. A little bit of wiggle here. Can you imagine that if I just pulled it off and the phone went flying? Oh, I'd cry. Feels really nice. The camera bumps. I wish it was just a bit more flat, but it is what it is. Let's take it out. Oh my god, do you know what? I'm first, before we go any further, I'm just gonna say I'm gonna apologize for this lighting. Like, the weather here in the UK is crazy. 1 minute it's sunny, next minute it's raining, and yeah, this light is just, it's insane. Anyway, back into it. The phone, one thing I've noticed is it actually feels light. A few people have said it feels a lot heavier. For me, I think it feels kind of light. I feel comfortable enough to do that with it. Okay, so I said it feels really good, feels light. I'm not gonna go too much into the specs of it all because, you know, that's what I'm about. I wanna get into see things like the camera, how it's gonna be. The screen brightness, I think, is meant to be about 25% brighter in daylight than it was on the iPhone 12 Pro Max. So that's a great thing. And also the battery life is meant to be, you know, longer as well by about 2.5 hours as well, I believe. So that is a big plus because I use my phone a lot. So I'm really looking forward to seeing how well that copes. Okay, let's power it all up.
5 minutes later.
Yep, here we go. All right, the first thing I have to do is check out the camera mode on here. Do you know what? Let's play with cinematic mode. I wonder if the macro works with video. Let me check. I've got a few little things here like to mess around with as well. So got some playing cards. Typical magician. Let's move this out of the way. And let's have a look at this. So, okay. So, right. Oh, yeah, you get macro mode on this. What? Look at the detail in this. Okay, that is insane. Sorry about the shake. What? That is, wow, that is mind blowing. That is seriously good. What? No, do you know what? I've got to try it. So this £2 coin here, look, it's got loads and loads of writing. It's ain't even gonna pick it up like on this lens from here, but can that do that on here? Let's look. So okay, let's try and bring it right in. That is crazy good. What? No way, man. Look at all the little details. I can't even read this with my eyes, so like the fact the lens is big. Oh my gosh. Again, I'm sorry for like, my hands are probably like shaking like crazy here. Let me film it like this. That is nuts. That is seriously good. Okay, my mind is blown instantly just of how good macro mode is. Phenomenal. Like seriously, they have taken, okay, the world's best smartphone camera and they've just made it better. What? Okay guys, so I've decided to quickly jump up, test out cinematic mode here. It's crazy. Look, it's blurred my background instantly, brings all the focus to me because, you know, I love the attention. But look, watch, if I just tap here on the screen, it brings the, you know, my little ghost from Destiny into focus. And if I touch it, that brings me straight back into focus. This is such a cool little feature. I actually thought there'd be a bit more blur over the top of my head sort of thing, you know, being a little bit dodgy and out of focus. Not the case. It's fantastic. You know what? I've just got to go find some things in the home right now to film in cinematic mode. So let's go find some objects to film in cinematic mode and have some fun. First impressions and honest thoughts. This phone is the nuts. It is so good. Like, you can hear it in my voice. I sound like a kid at Christmas. Unbelievable. Just doing those little tests then, like of filming the camera lens and showing how it changes so easily from the camera to the coffee capsules to the glass. The detail in the macro mode of, you know, for the playing cards, because this detail in these cards is so small. So being able to see it like that, especially the coin really blew me away. The camera is honestly incredible, guys. Yeah, I mean, that is all I can kind of tell you right now about the phone. I have to take it out, I have to road test it, I have to get outside, film some magic, and that is when we're going to see the best of the iPhone 13 Pro Max, I believe. Anyway guys, if you liked today's video, please be sure to smash that subscribe button, leave a like, leave a comment, and I will see you all on the very next video. Take care, stay safe, and peace!